Hey folks, warm and humid across the valley this evening. As you would expect this time of year, things aren't going to change much in the days ahead either. Here's where we stand right now. 83, both Raymondville and Harlingen. Same thing, Port Isabel. Brownsville's 84. Then you go back to the west, temperatures a little bit warmer. 87 right now in the McAllen area. Same thing, Rio Grande City, Edinburgh's 85. Overnight tonight, readings bottom out close to 80, maybe a degree or two above or below, depends on where you are. And then tomorrow it's hot again. 100 plus from about I-69C westward, east of that upper 90s at the beach, 89, 90 degrees at the island. Now the normal high for this time of year is 97. And we're going to be near that, just a little bit above, 98, 99. Records are up at 103 and 102. We probably won't get there the next few days, at least not in the middle part of the valley where those records are kept. Now off to the west, it'll be hotter than that. Satellite doesn't show much tonight. Pretty quiet night across the valley, and tomorrow should be pretty quiet as well. Let's watch Future Track. Does show patchy clouds and maybe a brief sprinkle, but we're keeping the chance of rain at less than 5%. I think really any of the next few days there's enough moisture that there could be an isolated shower in one or two spots, but a vast majority of the area stays dry. That goes into Friday as well. Something could show up on the sea breeze. We're putting about a 10% chance in on Friday, but that's about it. It's just not enough to really get things going. So while something may pop up, most areas will stay dry. Bigger picture across Texas shows pretty quiet night tonight. You can see some rain moving out of the state up around the Dallas area, but otherwise not much happening. There was some rain earlier today off to the southwest of Del Rio, so this in the watershed helping the situation a little bit. But the big upper air low, the thing that's been responsible for all this rain in parts of Texas, is moving away from the state, and with it the rain chance moving away as well. Big high builds in, and when that happens, it dries things out. Upper level winds coming out of the north, basically, so anything that tries to come through Texas, there's no moisture to work with, so you end up with a very warm and humid air mass here at the surface, down here where we live, but a little bit above the ground is very dry, so you just end up dry and hot for the most part, and any shower that pops up is short-lived because there's no moisture aloft to work with, so it pops up and then it fades away. Here's what's going on in the tropics. One thing, and this really isn't even in the tropics, up in the North Atlantic, this system has a 40% chance of developing, but it's moving away from the U.S. The main part of the tropics down here, the intertropical convergence zone, not much happening at all. Still a lot of African dust mixed in. At the coast, southeast winds 10 to 20 knots. The bay is choppy. UV is extreme. Small craft operators urged to use caution. There's a low risk of rip currents. So for tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, a low of 79. Southeast winds 7 to 17. Then tomorrow we're back up to 98. Plenty of sunshine, hot and breezy. That wind 15 to 25 out of the southeast. So here we go. The next 7 days, 98, a couple of 99s, 100 on Saturday. We hold at 99 on Sunday. Again, you can't completely rule out an isolated shower any of the next 7 days, but probably the best chance up at 5 to 10%, and that's it. Probably Friday, Saturday, maybe into Sunday. It's still only 5 to 10%. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.